my finger is split in half.
Hold it kind of cupped like this, like cup your hand like that.
1, 2, 3.
Starts to multiply, just like that. 3. Look, it turns into candy.
Pulls it up and the matches
Into the mug.
And it magically turns into ice.
What? That's real ice.
vanish.tv.com.
What's good? Welcome back to How to Magic.
Oh, magic!
I am your host, Evan Era. Today I'm showing you 6 tricks that look like real magic and how to do them.
Magic. Real magic.
So if you're ready, hit that thumbs up button and let's go. Check this out. I have 2 playing cards here. Watch my finger. If I just slide it behind the cards, I can actually make it look like my finger is split in half. Just like this. All you need to do this trick are 2 playing cards. Also, credit for this trick goes to David Velasco. Check him out on Instagram. I'm gonna take the first playing card and grip it with these 3 fingers right here on top and the thumb on bottom. The second card is going to go in front of that card, but shifted sideways so that it lines up about like this. Now you wanna leave a space between the cards right here so that this forefinger can slide through, so that when your finger is hidden behind the card like this, it looks like you're just holding 2 cards. But when you extend it out, you can then see my finger protruding from behind the top card. We time that with the other finger going in to create the illusion of our finger just sliding right behind the card like that. And then we can move this finger down, turn it sideways, move it up and down like this, and then slide it back out. Okay, Ava, I have a really cool dice trick to show you.
Okay, well, I've already seen it before.
Well, this is a little bit of a twist on the dice trick. So you think you've seen it, but you haven't seen nothing yet.
Oh, really?
Watch the dice right here. 1, 2, 3. Look, it turns into candy.
Yummy.
Here, hold your hand.
Oh. Alright, here's how it's done. I'm about to reveal a secret. The secret to this trick, it's extremely simple, and I'll teach you how it's done right now. Here is the secret to the magic dice to candy trick. If I pull this up, you can see it is not a real dice. It is a hollowed out shell that you can hide candy inside. So you take something like M&M Minis, take this little shell of the dice and fill it up with the candy. You then take this little plastic case, the dice goes in. The top lid here contains a magnet that will attract the shell of the dice. So as the shell lifts up and sticks to the magnet, the candy that is inside spills out. And it really creates the illusion of it just transforming into the little M&Ms. Ladies and gentlemen, we interrupt this regularly scheduled broadcast to bring you this special announcement. The Magic Dice Bomb trick is available now at evaneratv.com. This is an absolutely amazing magic trick. It is a fan favorite. It has everything you need to perform this amazing illusion with the little mini M&Ms, or you can do it with the little miniature dice that come with the trick. You load them inside, then all you do is give it a shake and the dice magically explode. Head over to evaneratv.com and pick one up today. It comes with everything you need to perform this amazing trick. Or stay tuned for the end of the video and you can win everything that you see here. Okay, Ava, I have a quarter here. Single quarter, check that out. Normal coin. Drop it in my empty cup. You can see the cup is empty. Drop it in there. You can see the coin inside the cup. Watch, if I just shake it, like that. But watch, if I just cover it with my hands and shake a little bit, check this out, watch. Hold out your hands.
How did it turn from a ton to 1?
To pull off this trick, you'll need a cup, a regular US quarter or other coin, a magnet ring, and some coins that are magnetic. Start the trick with your stack of pennies concealed in your hand like this on the side of the cup. Present it to your audience like this, making sure not to show these coins that you have concealed in your fingers. Now show the coin in the cup and say, watch, if we just shake it back and forth, it looks like it just multiplies and another coin is produced. So as you shake the cup back and forth, you're just secretly dropping the coins out from behind your fingers, and you can see the quarter has now produced a bunch of pennies. Now here is where your magnet ring comes into play. You're going to have this palmed in your other hand, and as you cover the top of the cup with this hand, you're going to bring the magnet ring underneath the cup like so. it's going to attract all of the magnetic coins and allow the quarter to fall out. Be careful not to flash the ring on the bottom of the cup. Keep that concealed with your hand. And don't show the coins inside the cup. Just a subtle upside down motion of the cup to dump the quarter out convinces the audience that the rest of the coins have vanished, leaving only the original quarter. Okay, this is the magic bottle cap trick, Ava. It's just a normal bottle cap. It's from a bottle of Coke. I'm going to hold it on the palm of my hand just like this. You can see it. Do me a favor and cover the bottle cap with your hand. Yep, perfect, just like that. Here, make sure you hold it kind of cupped like this, like cup your hand like that, perfect. And just put it right on top like that. Now watch that, we got to cover, watch about this. Watch, lift your hand.
I just covered it with my hand. How?
Where'd it go?
No.
All you need to pull this off is some tape. You're gonna take a piece like this and stick it to the back of your hand, just like so. Now with the proper misdirection, what this is going to allow us to do is to pick up the bottle cap from our hand and slip it out from between the spectator and your palm. You're gonna do that when you turn their hand upright. Just stick it in place like so and casually drop this hand to the side. You can then proceed with the routine and amaze your spectator when they see that the bottle cap has somehow mysteriously vanished from within their own hands. Okay, Ava, so as you can see, I have a little box of matches here, and I've opened the tray up a little bit. You can see there's no matches inside, right? So watch, if I close it up like this, and just wave your hand over it, give it a magical wave. Watch, if I just open it back up, look, matches have appeared. And so, hold on, look. Here is how to set this up at home. You need 2 boxes of matches because you're going to create this right here. That is 2 trays from boxes of matches with the ends removed so that you can create this sliding tray. Just like this. Now this whole thing is going to get loaded inside the match box, just like this. Now we can pull it up like this, but then push the inner tray back down into the book of matches so that it hides it, just like that. Now you can see it on this back end right here, but if we hold it from this angle, it looks like an empty book of matches. Now you're ready to present it to the audience and close up the match tray, but before you do, make sure you have your finger on the back side of the tray. So when you close up the tray like this, it will move the matches into place, and now make sure you push it out from the back end so that the matches are presented just like that. Now you can pull the entire tray out and show off your full tray of genuine matches. Alright, so Ava is gonna show us a trick.
Okay, so pour the water into the mug and you will see magic things.
Okay, so I'm pouring the water into the mug. You guys can see it going in the mug. That's all the water. Alright, now what?
Hold out your hand.
Okay.
Magic return.
What? That's real ice. Time to show you how this trick is done. I'm using a clear plastic cup in this case so you can see exactly what is going on. Inside the cup we have a few dish sponges. So those are going to absorb all the water when we pour it in. You can see them absorb the water just like that. Now all the magic is done for us. Just turn the cup upside down and no water comes out, creating a perfect illusion of the water in the cup just magically disappearing. Try it out at home. Watch the ring. 1, 2, 3. And it magically disappears. The secret to making the ring magically vanish. This is a really easy impromptu trick that you can do at home. All you need is a rubber band and a ring. Start off by tying the rubber band around the ring and place it on your wrist just like so. Now stretch the rubber band up behind your hand and pinch it in between your thumb and forefinger. From the front angle, the rubber band won't be visible to the audience. Then when you let go, it will spring back to this position behind your wrist. Alright guys, that is it for this week's episode. If you liked the video, please hit the thumbs up button and share it with someone who you think might like it too. The likes and shares on the video really help the YouTube algorithm and help more people see the video and subscribe to the channel, which leads me to my next point. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. You get to learn brand new magic tricks like these every single week. So hit that subscribe button and be sure to tap the notification bell so you see all of our videos and you get updated with the newest magic tricks as soon as they come out. And it is giveaway time. I am giving away all the magic props from this video. video. If you want to win any of the magic tricks that you saw, leave a comment down below and make sure you're subscribed to the channel. I'll be going through the comments section and picking random comments and mailing the magic out to you. Time to announce the giveaway winners from our last How To Magic video. The winners' names are appearing on the screen right here. Congratulations to our winners. Be sure to check the description of the video for information on how to claim your prize. And until next time, remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. Love you guys.
Slot.